Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install Xampp on Windows and run Apache so you could share files on your network. Hit the link in the description and click on this download button. Your download shall start automatically within 5 seconds. Now, head to the folder where your Xampp installation file is there and right click and run it as an administrator. Click on yes and go to next and your Xampp will be installed. At the end it will ask you to open a control panel for it, which will look like this. Now in order to share your files over the network, you need to run the Apache server. Just click on start and you will see the Apache is started on ports 80 and 443. So why two ports? So 80 is the normal HTTP port and 443 is the HTTPS secured port. Now how do you find your IP address? Hit on the net start button and the bottom you will see this is as our IP address. Now if you want to go to the folder where your files will be searched for it, hit on this explorer over here and you will see the Xampp path over here. The file that you are sharing to anyone is in the htdocs folder. So how can you find this path over here? If you go to here and you write http colon double slash and now your IP address. What is your IP address? Um, for me it is 192.168.29.201. 192.168.29.201. Colon is 80. However, if I don't mention 80, it will still work because the default is 80. So if I just hit enter over here, it says this is Xampp folder. Now I want to go to a particular file or folder path. Let's say in htdocs I have created this test folder over here for me. Let's for your sake purposes I'll create a new folder and I'll say test2. Now if I want to access this test2, I'll just write slash test2. Now it has opened the directory for test2, and similarly for test1 it has opened the directory, for test it has opened the directory test. And now similarly from any phone or laptop or anything, you can access this path which has been connected to your Wi-Fi. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.